Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family.
For office carpet cleaning in Doncaster, you can't beat our experience and service. We can solve all sorts of problems that just happen in a busy office. Hi, if you're looking for carpet cleaning services in Doncaster, you've come to the right place. I'm Paul and this is Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. Come with me. Today we're doing the surgery in Auckland. Now obviously we use the very best equipment possible, very important. And also very important is the chemicals. They're all very safe. Now then, come with me and we see what we're going to do. We're going to do it for these people. It's going to be all these bottom offices here. Right, well we're inside now and we've got a fairly familiar office layout. Right, well as you would expect, we have a big industrial machine for our work. Here it is. We always keep it outside because we don't want to be warming up all that bacteria and throwing it out the back all over somebody's nice clean office or house. Now I'll just turn it off. Right, so when you need a proper job, when you're looking for office carpet cleaning in Doncaster, then give us a call. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners.